So we're just about done. We're at day 11 now. And I just want to say a few things about the whole kit itself. So for a month, I was with a crew that paddled down the Mackenzie River from Great Slave Lake to Inuvik in the Mackenzie Delta in the Canadian Arctic. This is the kit that I took with me, really. It can be that small, lightweight, and packed away. We did some traveling and went to Zihuatanejo, Mexico for a month. And this is the size of the kit. It doesn't have to take up a lot of space in your suitcase or your duffel bag, whatever you happen to take. So it's the three things you're looking for. You're looking for something small, you're looking for a kit that's lightweight, and you're looking for a kit that's cost effective. You know, a lot of these pieces I can replace locally if I lose them or they get damaged or what have you. So keep that thing in mind. I'll generally take a couple of extra Ziploc bags with me. I'm not a guy who's really big into disposable plastics, but you know, Ziploc bags, they're cost effective, they're waterproof, and really handy. So until something else comes along, I'm probably going to stick with a Ziploc bag. Tuck it into your suitcase or your duffel bag, and away you go. Hiking down the Camino de Santiago, you will never regret having a great lightweight travel journal kit. So watch for day 12. Here we come.